Hi there, a very good morning, good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This simply talks with another video. And today I bring to you a very interesting company. It's a Sunday video, so I bring to you a small cap company which could end up being 5-6x from here over a long period of time. This is a very interesting company into the prepaid space, so we'll discuss about it. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. I'm not a member of the NSC and BSC, and that I am not a certified portfolio advisor. Whatever discussions I have with respect to the market and stocks is purely on the basis of my experience into the market and on the fact that I have been trading in the market for the last 12, 13 years and gain knowledge on it. So I wanted to impart that knowledge to you. So whatever decisions with respect to investments or trading you take, kindly do consult your official financial advisor. Before I talk about this company, here's a small request. Kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions, seek out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership on Patreon, then you'll get all access to my portfolio, my watch list. Watch list is majorly my portfolio itself because I hold around 30 to 35 stocks. Analysis on different companies, analysis on global economy, on Indian economy and how things are going, and answer to whatever queries you have with respect to the markets. In order to discuss about this company, let me take you to the screener website. So Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services is the stock I want to talk to you about, which has come out with very strong June quarter numbers. So let's discuss what the company does. So basically, Zaggle builds world-class financial solutions and products to manage the business expenses of, you can say, corporates, SMEs, and startups through automated and innovative workforce. That's what they do. They make, you can say, they make transactions seamless and automated in that respect. So Zaggle builds financial solutions and products to manage the business, you can say, expenses of corporates, SMEs, and startups through automated and innovation workflows. Headquartered in Hyderabad, it is at, you can say, intersection of SaaS, which is software as a service, and fintech. So it has both SaaS and fintech in there. They have different products which are listed. They had a new launch in Q1 FY24. Zaggle introduced corporate credit cards and vendor management platforms, which is Zoya. Also, their customer base expanded, and you can say cross-selling initiative started. So this is a very niche company in this space, and which in my opinion is in a primitive space. So this could become pretty big, a 4,500 crore company into such a niche space. If things go right, could this could become a pretty good over a period of time. So corporate accounts is around 1,800. You have SMB accounts of 580. Total accounts is around 2,400 or so, in which 2.27 million active users are there. They have corporate collaborations. Esteemed the list of corporates as Capital, Inox, NSDL, DBMS. You have Walk Hard, Yes Bank, Greenply, etc. And they have an agreement with Visa as well from October 23. Company has entered into a growth agreement with Visa. This alliance is in support of the issuance of Forex co-brand cards. Visa Plus will pay, so Visa will pay the launch bonus for supporting the launch of Forex collaboration cards or co-brand cards, and will also pay incentives on Forex transactions, whatever that takes place. So they have marquee clients with them, and the company is doing well. So if you look at it, in terms of numbers. So if you look at the quarterly numbers, in the June quarter, they did 250 crores of sales versus 252 crores of sales versus 118 crores in June of 23. So that's a huge jump of more than 100% 8 crores of profit has expanded to 22 crores. Margins have also expanded from 7% to 9%. And overall, on the bottom line as well, from 2 crores of net profit, we are at 17 crores of net profit for this quarter. So this is a jump that is noticeable, and there is something going on with the company, something which is positive that is going on with the company. So they did a profit of 17 crores in this June quarter, and throughout the year in March 24 they did 44 crores. So they're going to surpass this big time. And yes, the, you can say that the valuations are not cheap at 74, 75 times, but the company is growing at more than 100% on the sales front. So as long as this growth remains around 80 to 100%, which could be possible in the next year, year and a half, at least 2, 3 years, the momentum could continue in this space. In terms of, you can say, a shareholding pattern, if you look at it, 44% is with the promoters, FIIs hold around 6% stake, and this trimming of stake comes in into effect because of the fact that the IPO came in just recently. So it has been not long since this has been listed. September 23 was the listing, so it has been only about a year or so, if I am not wrong. Absolutely. So this is just about a year that the company has been listed. Company has done well post listing, 150, 155 rupees, and the stock is now trading at around 350 rupees, more than doubled. But the numbers are also pretty impressive. So in terms of, again, shareholding, 44% promoters, FIIs hold 6%, 5.5% with DIIs. Public shareholding is there, 44, 45%. But in that public shareholding, there is around 22, 23%, which is with around 8, 17, 18%, which is with large investors in there, especially Zuzu Software Service Private Limited holds around 13% stake. So all in all, looks good. Remember, again, it is a micro cap kind of, small cap kind of company, only 4,000 crore market caps. It can go either way. Kindly do keep strict stop losses even on your long term positions in such stocks which are of such market cap. And probably 2%, 3% of your portfolio could be here, and let's see how things pan out over the next 2, 3 years. But the company looks set for pretty good FY25 numbers. If I take into effect this kind of a growth of 17 crores profitability, if I extrapolate this, so 68 crores of profit for the year versus 19 crores. If I take that, looking at something like 3.6 times of what they did last time around. So an EPS of around 5.5, 5.6 is possible. Based on that, if it is trading at around say 358 and 5, yeah, 63, 64 times. It's not ultra expensive at the moment. It's not cheap at the same time. So probably on decent market declines, one can definitely look at such a stock. But again, do your own analysis. If you look at the chart, so here's the chart of Zaggle from 1 year perspective. I believe 330 to 340 is a major support. So any dip towards there would be very interesting, and one can definitely look at the stock at those prices, at those levels, if fundamentals remain the same. So overall, I believe that the company is doing extremely well. So kindly do have a look at it from a long-term point of view. So this was a video on Zaggle. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Once you get that membership, you'll get a lot of stuff. So check that out. If you can't get access to Patreon, if you're not able to pay there, you can email me for membership on WhatsApp as well. But it's the yearly membership. Thank you.